Okay, hello again, and this time I'm here with my 132 scale truck collection. Just a little bit of it. To start with, we've got my dump truck, my Kenworth dump truck. The door's open and it rolls freely, but the back is a little bit stiff. Next, we've got my Freightliner cab over. It's pretty rare and it's got detailed interior. This isn't the trailer that goes to it, but I like the colors. I thought they kind of matched, so I put it on for the video. It's a Thermo King little fridge thing, I guess. Older trailer type. And next we have my sort of homemade flatbed. It's pretty cool. I kind of painted it, added a paper logo, smiley faces, and paper mud flaps in the back that have the smiley faces too. And next, it's my Peterbilt, my stretched Peterbilt. It's got a nice Texas chrome bumper there. The hood opens. Engine, not very detailed, but still an engine. Opening doors. Really low fenders in the back too. With the spread axle trailer. It works really well. The next one is my Peterbilt dump truck. It comes with a detachable pup. That goes up and down, and opening doors. So, that's my 132 scale truck collection. Thank you for watching.